नमस्कार।
हेलो।
मैं रंजन कुमार अमृत न्यूज़ से आपका हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूँ। राजधानी पटना स्थित पटना म्यूजियम, जहाँ की आज पटना कलम पर सेमिनार और फिल्म का प्रदर्शन भी हुआ। नमस्कार सर, अपना परिचय देंगे।
मैं संजय कुमार लाल। मैं हमारे एंसेस्टर जो मुग़ल कोर्ट से मुग़ल कोर्ट में पेंटर्स हुआ करते थे। मुग़ल कोर्ट से वो राजपूताना मुग़ल कोर्ट से वो पटना कलाम तक की उनकी सफ़र है। ये जर्नी उनकी 400 साल पुरानी है और इस जर्नी में उन लोगों ने बहुत सारे काम किया उन्होंने। जैसे कि मुर्शिदाबाद में उन लोगों ने काम किया। आपको राधा वल्लभ टेम्पल मेड बाय द बशावन, एंड फर्स्ट थिंग आई वांट टू know you that the Bashavan and Manohar was the great artist painter in Akbar, and Akbar has impressed by the work or style of Manohar, and Akbar mentioned his new subject of art in his painting, and not only that, he mentioned his name in Akbar, and there they have done a lot many of court paintings in Rajputana paintings during the Rajputana rulers, and when they come to the central court to Murshidabad and Murshidabad to Patna, and in Murshidabad they have worked freely. They have started independent school, not under the Mughal or Raja or Maharaja. There they work, but due to some problem created by the king Miran has created, and वो उसने बहुत ज़्यादा टैक्स लगाया. Then the artist of Murshidabad shifted to Patna, and Patna they have started the Patna Klam school or Patna school, and literally here they have worked about it in 18th and 19th century and mid of 20th century. Here they have done lot of work for Britishers, for Maharajas, Diwan, doctors, and the well of the society. And here school which they have started in Patna, that school has become literally the Patna Art and Craft College, and the first principal of that college was Radha Mohan Babu. He was my relative family member, and like that this museum has initially started by Ulas Lal, Bani Lal, Siva Lal, and this has continued by the Ishwari Prasad and Radha Mohan Babu, and literally it has become the Patna Museum. In the guideline of Lansdowne, the governor of Patna, and this museum has started to build in 1918 and it has finished in 1928. So this is the history, and lot many paintings which are well available in market, and whatever you are looking here in Patna painting and Patna Kalam paintings, which has totally donated by my ancestor to Patna Museum. Not only Patna Museum, they have given this to Victoria Albert Museum, the London Museum, the Indian Museum, Calcutta, the Delhi Museum. Everywhere, whatever the Mughals painting and Patna Kalam paintings are available, that has given donated by my family.
Congress for your contribution in Patna Kalam. I have one question. Who was the first artist of Patna Kalam? Can you tell me? Who was the first artist of Patna Kalam? Sevak Ram, Ulas Lal, Siva Lal, Bani Lal. They were started here in Patna Kalam painting. Who inspired them for Patna Kalam art?
By themselves started. Nobody has inspired, because they came from the Mughal court, and here they have given one new style that's called the Patna Kalam.
थैंक यू वेरी मच। नमस्कार, मैं रंजन कुमार अमृत पटना बिहार। जय हिंद, जय भारत, वंदे मातरम।